Hi, I said solid.
Hi, Mr. Panda.
Today we're making chocolate donut holes. We hold the cups of flour water. Oops. How did you miss? Half a cup of sugar. 3 tablespoons of cocoa. Half a teaspoon baking soda. Quarter teaspoon powder. Quarter teaspoon salt. Quarter cup of buttermilk. 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Half teaspoon vanilla. Now we need one egg. One. Got the little one. We need a beater, so we need to blow it out. Quarter cup hot coffee. Have a grown-up help you, cause this is hot. Now we're making a donut post a cool dough.
We're gonna make icing.
Quarter cup melted butter. Quarter cup of sugar. 1 teaspoon vanilla. 2 tablespoons of hot water. Tiny syrup.
Now we're gonna get the holes all cooled off. We're gonna put icing on them.
Put icing on it. I'm doing good.
It was a video. Bye.
I'm
Like and subscribe.
Good. Good. This is delicious.